All right, here in Singapore, you gotta have this card reader for everywhere. Everywhere you want to park, it just charges this card here, right? So if this thing isn't working, you're gonna get stuck at a gate. People are gonna be behind you. That's what happened to me today a couple times. So I went and topped off my card. It wasn't a problem with that. The card worked fine, so it's a problem with the reader. So I had to track this down, and what I did is I actually went under the hood first, which is the wrong approach. There's a fuse box inside. So in here is the fuse box, and so I traced that wire out and it came down to here. So the first thing you might want to check if your reader isn't working is the fuse that's in here. This thing unscrews. So I just checked the fuse, it's good to go. But this thing here was actually plugged in this one, and I recently had some work done on the car. I don't know if they messed with it and plugged it into the wrong one or what, but anyway, this thing right here goes to that reader up there, and it just pushes in. Okay, so I don't want to pull this thing out and push it in too many times, but it's in there nice and secured. So to tell if that thing's working right, just pull the card out and then put it back in, and it'll let you know. There we go. Green light's on. So before it wasn't doing anything, totally blank. So I got 138 bucks on there. All right, so hope that helps, and it'll go off. And then I'll just wrap everything up, put it back up in there, and it'll read just fine. Yeah, I would go up to the gate and it was saying no reader detected, so it'll really hose you. And I think if you're on the freeway and it's trying to charge your card, I think they'll take your license plate and you'll end up either having to pay it or get a ticket. But anyway, it's working good now. Go ahead and wrap that baby back up. Okay, thanks for watching.